Wait, what's that?
The game.
The doors open.
Guys, where are we play the game?
Welcome to the orange fruit land. We have to play this orange fruit for the German robot. So the German robot will eat orange. We have to play the numbers of orange. You can win this all the games. The German robot wants to hungry. It will eat orange. You have to play green orange. The German robot will be done. And put the orange and put eat the robot. Let's start the game. 3, 2, 1. Two orange.
One orange, two orange.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Two orange.
Okay guys, the German robot eat orange. We're thinking, no.
Yes. Round 2. Start. 6 orange.
6 orange. I need 6 orange. 6.
You must follow it and six orange, dude.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 orange.
Yes, I needed. Hola. Someone meet us. Shut up, you tooted. What the hell are you? When you was I don't need it. Yes. That robot's good idea something. No way. I think it's works some things. What the hell are you?
Okay, finally round 3. 3, 2, 1. 3 orange.
Orange? Orange. I want the green.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 orange. I finally was finished.
I know, let's plan I dude.
Lights 1. Final 4. 3, 2, 1. 1 orange.
1! I got 1!
3, 2, 1. 1 orange. Finish.
Yes, we won.
Creature still alive. Creature still alive. Creature still alive.
What?
Creature still alive. Creature still alive. Creature still alive.
Oh shit, what's that?
3, 2, 1.